Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Black Series HQ21. So the Black Series is an awesome, off-the-grid, overlander travel trailer. Starting up front, you can see this awesome steel framing. It does have an articulating hitch, which is good for off the beaten path. This isn't your KOA type of camper. Look at the shape of it. This is made to be indestructible. They say that with an asterisk, because trust me, you can destruct it for sure.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying. Right here, we do got the rock guard. Really nice storage here. And then here's the little outside kitchen setup. You do got lights on the outside, power awning with LED lights. And then look at these tires. These are Lion Sport tires, really big, 265s, with independent suspension. It's really awesome and nice. I call the Black Series the Airstream of off-roading. Inside, you can see there is a nice U-shaped dinette. It does drop down to make a bed. Plenty of cabinetry all the way around. Little TV entertainment space here. Right over here, we got a little sink area, little kitchen, regular refrigerator. There's no slide outs in this unit. Slide outs are an issue if you want to overland, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Coming on back here, we do have a really nice size shower, especially for an overlander. Back here, we do have a walk-around bed. Not walk-around, but a north to south bed with storage on both sides, which is pretty nice. Also storage above. And then right here, we have a porcelain toilet with a nice sink area. Really good design, really smart design on how they fit so much in a smaller unit with no slide outs while still keeping the quality up. Well guys, that's it. That was a quick little tour of the HQ21 Black Series. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.